In front of me is VIVO X200 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by going into Devices settings and scrolling down to tap on Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. Select Add Contact and tap on the one you wish to add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To change order of your contacts on the list, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Hold one, drag it to the proper place and let go. When you finished, hit Save, also at the top right corner. To delete any contact from your list, use this X next to the one you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!